What's up, guys? So today we are starting on the lettering of multiple dumpsters, well, roll-offs. We have 6 of them to do. We're doing one at a time. One's getting dropped off, one's getting picked up, type of thing. We've already started printing out and cutting our letters. It's pretty big. They're going to be about 14 inches each letter, and we're doing a 3-letter name and then a full phone number, plus the dashes in between. So I'm up here getting everything printed and cut and ready to go. We're going to then tape everything, transfer tape, once Dave gets here, and then we're going to go outside and start putting it on. All right, guys, we are heading out to do the first dumpster. Going to see now. All right, we just finished up on the dumpster. What do you guys say, Dave? What do you gotta say?
It's hot.
Looking good. Give me a shot of the other side. Looks really good. Came out great. We got 5 more of these to do. Customer's gonna pick this one up and then drop another one. We're gonna get started on it.
Full send.